Well, some Tom, Dick and Harry went and started criticizing me. Why should I react now? Those highly qualified people standing beside some highly qualified politicians who lost elections, every time they have to talk about my party. Why? Do they even know that how MANUU was formed? Do they even know that during UPS time it was Asaduddin Owaisi who had got the then MOS HRD to MANUU? Do they even know that it was Asaduddin Owaisi who had opened the first MANUU school in Farooq Nagar? From class 1 to 10 CBSE course is being taught. Do they even know that 8 crores building was constructed on a police land with the permission of YS Rajshekar Reddy's government? And when YSR came over there to inaugurate that school building in Farooq Nagar, which I don't know, you have not gone over there. Sometime you must go and see the good work we have done. Rajshekar Reddy, he came in a bus. He said, "This is the building you want me to inaugurate?" I said, "Yes, sir." He said, "I will not inaugurate." I was shocked. I said, "Why are you saying this?" He said, "No, why? How can you get only one school? What about the whole of Andhra Pradesh?" In front of me, YS Rajshekar Reddy spoke to, I think so, the HRD minister was Kapil Sibal, and one principal secretary of HRD who later on went to become the chief secretary of Chhattisgarh. Rajshekar Reddy spoke on on a cell phone to these two ministers and saying that I want more such schools. If the MANUU University is trying to give it to private people to develop that area, we also condemn that. And we don't want that if that land is given to MANUU, it should remain with MANUU. But to make such baseless allegations against MIM, this is a cowardly act. You want to fight me politically, come out and fight me politically. And don't tell me what about MANUU. I know more about MANUU. There is a standing committee report when I was a member of Ministry of Social Justice and Ministry of Minority Affairs. You should see my contribution in those reports, what I have talked about MANUU and everything, or what we have spoken in the parliament. Recently, in the last parliament session, I had talked about Urdu language, and I had said, please strengthen MANUU. And I'm warning the MANUU administrators, you should not finish Urdu to promote English language over there. That university was formed for the Urdu language. It was Urdu University under an act. I hope they don't do that.